Tas Blizzard was a meanie. He was asked to join the band in '93 when we were looking to strengthen the band's live sound. The meanies had played with Super Gorillas quite often, and we knew that Tas, you know, he knew how to play his guitar, he rocked, he was a great bloke. And we also needed to add some much needed good looks to the band, to be quite honest. I'm not used to this. His first show was at the Big Day Out in front of 20,000 people, which Ringo worked out to be approximately 1,500 Barwon Club shows. And as you would expect, he did it with his usual humble and casual approach. I don't think he was wearing a shirt or shoes, even though it was pissing down with rain. He then toured with us in America and Europe, and later on in Japan. After taking time to complete some of his studies, he rejoined the band, because he did leave for a while, he rejoined us for the last half of the Pearl Jam tour that we did in '95. Again, playing to packed out stadiums and doing so like he was born to it. Countless tours of Australia and overseas, and numerous recording sessions followed. He touched many people all over the world, both with his guitar playing and his personal qualities.
Tas was a brilliant and talented guitar player. He played his guitar like it was an extension of himself. Natural, creative, unassuming, yet intense. When we're standing on stage, Tas would often be to the right, and I can still sort of see him there with his bare feet, and he'd crank it into some riffs.
What are you doing? Why haven't you got a job? Because you and your bloody mates with your long hair and your bare feet playing guitar, twang, twang.
It's just overwhelming to see the support and the notices we've received and the publicity in the paper. It's just blown me away. So it's going to be pretty tough for me, so bear with me and I'll try and get through it. Warrandyte South, where I was teaching, he had his first year at school and everybody loved him. Tas was such a good looking boy, you'll see in the photo. You know, he had golden hair and curly locks and a beautiful smile. Just a golden boy. And then everything he took on at school, it was just natural. He was a really good student, and every sport he took up, he just was a natural, and he excelled at his sports, his athletics and basketball, and before we knew it, he'd mastered all the chords. So then he got the music teacher at the high school to teach him a few riffs. And next thing I know, I've got this bloody band playing in my garage. We'll always love him and treasure his memory. Thanks very much.